In the last video we have seen how to install the Selenium IDE. As we can see the icon here, we have already successfully installed the Selenium IDE, and if it not appeared as we have seen earlier, we can go to here and you can pin this IDE. So how to run this Selenium IDE in Google Chrome? So let us see now. I have written a simple script. I used PHP script. So PHP script is just addition of two numbers. Just give two numbers and addition of two numbers. I have taken two text boxes and a button, and I have written simple PHP script to add two numbers. So I have run this using the XAMPP server, as the URL says, localhost / addition.php. So addition.php is my file name. I have saved like this. This file, the addition of two number file, I have saved it as addition.php. So now let us run this first without Selenium, whether it is working correctly or not. Just I will use the numbers, that is 23 plus 10. So the output is 33. So it is running correctly. So let me first reload this. Let me refresh this. So let us use the Selenium IDE. So how to run this? So just click on the icon. Automatically the window will get appeared here. So just click on record a new test in a new project. Just click on here and let me give it as add to. I think add is already present in my in this folder, that's why I have used add to. So just click on OK. So here it will ask for the base URL. Here it will ask for base URL. I will just copy this. I will copy this and I will paste it. Okay, I will copy and paste it here. So localhost / addition.php. Just click after pasting this. Just click on start recording. So automatically this window which says that Selenium IDE is recording. So let me add. So let me do like this. So here it is. So what will we do here? That will appear here. So I will just type 34 and here I will type 30. So as we can see here, 34 has come here and 30 has come here. So let me click on this add button. So 64 appeared here. So now as we can see here, the recording has been successfully done. So after successfully done the recording, just click on here stop recording. So let me give it as test case name as add. Test case or test name is different and the project name is different. Just click on OK. So what will I do is, so let me run this. So as we can see this Selenium IDE, there are a lot of options: tests, the test, run test case, the execution speed, and these are the commands which I have executed. First open, set window size, and click type. These are all commands. So just I will use here, I will go here and I will click on run current test. Current test means this add. So let me execute this. So automatically this come here. As we can run here, I have not done anything. Automatically it has got executed. So we have not seen any input and it is very fast. It was very fast. So let me make it as slow. So now I will run this test case. Run test. So preparing, automatically it got open. We can't do anything. It is not necessary. So it will be slow because of the slow. We have kept it as slow. So click here. I am not doing anything. Automatically it will get entered from the previous inputs. So 34 as you can see here. Next type 2, name 2, and click on add. Okay, click on add. So the output is 64. So this is how we can run for our local files. This can be used for the websites also. This can be used for websites also. So once you click on this, so once you click on browser, we can directly open this Selenium ID and click this. We can enter the website here. So website should start from http:// okay, this is how we can use our local files, how to run the local files in Selenium, and successfully test it. Okay, thank you.